South Australia has replaced the waste. For some members of our community, there are no suitable alternatives to single-use plastic straws. That's why these straws will still be available for those relying on them for disability or health needs. Businesses can choose to stock single-use plastic straws for customers with health or disability needs.
I'm really excited that the state's decided to make this change. I've got customers with health and disability needs who rely on single-use plastic straws. There you go. Thank you.
If you need a straw, you can just ask. If you have a support worker with you, they can ask for one too.
When Noah and I go out, we like to bring our own straws. I also remind my friends to bring their own straws as well.
Single-use plastic straws need to be kept out of sight and can only be supplied on request. You do not need to ask for proof of a disability or health need.
It's great that I can look after all of my customers.
Single-use plastic straws will also be available at prescribed outlets. These include chemists, local government offices, charities, medical, dental and care facilities. If you rely on single-use plastic straws, get more details at replacethewaste.sa.gov.au.